Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to go about to sew just talking about the hem of this particular lace material you're seeing. It always, most times you see materials like this comes with plain nets on both edges of the fabric, and then if you're sewing this as a wrapper, it's a little bit, I don't want to say hard, but challenging in the sense that sometimes they come with different edges. Unlike this particular one you're seeing, you saw the first one I showed you, and this is another edge of it. And for this particular one, it will be so hard for you to want to trim out the nets and leave it like that. No. And then the best way to go about to sew it, and the way I normally do, is what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video, how I was able to achieve this perfect knit at the hem of the wrapper. This is the style a client of mine wanted, and then although the same wrapper, the style is a little bit different in the sense that she wanted a straight sleeve with what's it called at the wrist now, different from the style you're seeing on the screen, but the material is still exactly the same. So the way I went about to actually finish up the hem of this particular wrapper is what I want to show you in this video. It's so simple. All I did is just, for me, instead of trimming out the nest, I went about to just go ahead and fold the edge now into about, I think I folded it two times. It's the net material there, it's very wide. If you like, if it's very big or very wide, you can just trim a little bit, then go ahead and do the same thing you see me do in this video. Just fold it in, or you bend it, either way you want to bend it in. I did this about 3 times, as you can see. Can you see that? One, I did one folding and then another one to lap on it, and this is how I went about to sew the edge of this particular material, and it came out really looking nice and beautiful. So this is what I thought to share with you guys. Just a simple way to go about to sew all the edges of this particular fabric you're seeing in this video. And then do well guys to subscribe, do well to like, comment and share me out guys. On my channel I share wonderful videos, tutorials to both beginners and even those who are professionals. There's no way you will always get something to learn or to pick from in any tutorial video, and this is what I do guys. And then after doing the hem part of it, the edge of it rather, and then I went ahead to do the normal way we bend the side in, which is what you will see me do now. Just the normal way we actually sew wrapper. On my page I have a full video on how to sew, cut and sew a normal wrapper using a lace fabric. So the same thing I did here. The only thing is that the net part, it was makes it so different. And then that is what you have learned in this video. If you think this video is so helpful to you, please do well to comment and share me out guys. And that is it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you have any comments, leave it in the comment section for me and I will be glad to respond.